Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll talk about how I blend my markers and also adding little makeup look to your face. So there is also lots of other videos on my channel regarding the face coloring but using other mediums, and you can use markers if you are comfortable using the quick coloring. Watercolor can also be used, and even pencil colors, blending, so you can check out the other videos as well regarding the face rendering. And using the Ohuhu marker here guys, there is already a video on the full review and unboxing. You will find the links in the description box given below. So here you can see I have used the first shade to create the base, and let the base settle in very nicely, and after that you can take the same coloring marker again and give that little contouring on the face, some highlights, some shading along the bridge of the nose in the points where you want that shade to be. So I always prefer doing that with the same shade of the marker, and I allow it to dry. After that we can take another shade, like a little darker shade than this one, and we can mix both of the colors. So now you can take any mixing palette or any like a plastic surface over which you can put the marker. Now this color is little darker than the base color, so I will first put little color on the tray here, and now I'm taking that same shade which I've used before. So using that I will just blend the color. So this way guys, you can just use little darker color and blend it very well. So guys, I think you all can understand now that how I use two markers and blend them to create this kind of rendering look. And I always prefer using a pencil color, like a normal drawing pencil or any type of pencil colors, to do that rendering around the skin, and I avoid giving any outlining with any solid black color or like a brown color. For the pencil colors, these are the common colors which I mostly use from the Polychromos range, or sometimes I also use other pencil colors from the Faber-Castell or the Staedtler Luna watercolor range. Now adding that final little shading with the pencil color always enhances the rendering to the next level. So you can do your base with any medium like watercolors or this type of alcohol markers, even brush pens, but at the end give a little rendering with your pencil color around the sides, and highlighting the features of the face, giving that little contouring on the face, little shadow below the face which will fall on the neck. So these are the little details which I always like using in the face. For the hair also, I will do a base color with this little brownish color tone, and over this I will do the hair strokes with a pencil color. So even in the hair guys, you can do your base with any solid medium, and then you can use a pencil or a fine liner to give the hair strokes. And for the face detailing, I always prefer using any kind of fine liner, especially for the eyebrows or the eyes detailing, because here I can get that precise marking. And also when the face is very small, like here it's approx for like 1 inch, so that time it becomes little difficult to add so much detailing in the face. So the more precise your material is, the more better you get the hold of the material and get more of the clean look in the face. So even if you are using pencil colors, try to use always the sharpened pencils so that you get very precise detailing. So guys, here I'll take the pencil color again, and right now I'm trying to give little more depth over the eyes, just like if you want to add little makeup look over the eyes for like an eyeshadow, or little bit contouring in the side of the face, like on the cheekbones, on the forehead, over the nose. So all those things, whichever stylization you want to add on the face, I think you can definitely do it, and give it little time, and some practice will come along, and it will help you to develop your style. And you can always add makeup according to the mood of the garment, that what kind of look you are going to. And here this is the part 1 of the video. In part 2 of the video you will see that how I do the garment. So the base color of my garment is something like wine color, like a maroonish color. So that's why I'm giving this kind of lip color, guys. I'm using this pencil color because I don't have a fine liner in the color which I want. So I will use this pencil color, and I was very careful to do the lips. It's little difficult to use a pencil color for the lips. So normally I would prefer using a fine liner for the lips also, because it's so small and you need that precision for the lips. But again guys, if you are using a pencil color, try to use very sharpened pencil, and be careful when you are doing the smaller details. Going to the hair look, now I'm using a black color pencil and giving that little shading over the hair base. So right now guys, I will use a darker shade to give some more contouring on the face, and you can put a darker color and use that lighter color again to blend it. Especially on the cheekbones here, I will try to shade it properly and then use that first color to go over this and blend this strong color. So now comes the interesting look guys. I wanted to do this glittery eyeshadow look, golden color, and for that I'm using this glitter gel pen. Very carefully I'm putting some dots over the eyes, and after the garment is completed guys, you will see that how I have taken inspiration from the garment only to put the makeup look over the face. So just like how we like to style ourselves, that what type of garment we are putting, what type of attire we are putting, we like to do the makeup in the same way. So even in your illustrations you can always add little makeup look by changing the lip color, adding little detail over the eyes, maybe some blush color, and you can take the inspiration from the garment, from the mood, to create that similar look over the face. Lastly, finishing off with some lower lashes and some more detailing around the earrings with the black pen. And here guys is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and the face drawing tutorial where I'll share some technique with you guys at how you can draw the face. That video is going to come very soon. I'm working on it so that it's useful for all the beginners out there. Do subscribe if you are new to the channel. Press the bell icon for getting all the notifications of my upcoming upload. I shall see you all very soon. Till then, keep illustrating. Take care. Bye bye.